Hey there, digital marketers and business owners. If you're feeling like Google Ads is this colossal mountain that you just can't seem to climb, you're not alone. It can be daunting, right? But guess what? Today, I'm here to break it down for you into 5 crucial steps that'll help you not just navigate, but dominate Google Ads. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive in. First up, we need to talk about defining your target audience. This is step 1, and it's absolutely vital. Think of it as your secret weapon. If you don't know who you're talking to, how can you expect them to listen? Start by creating detailed buyer personas. Who are they? What do they like? What keeps them up at night? Dive into demographics, interests, and behaviors. Use tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Insights to gather the data. The more specific you are, the better your ads will perform. Trust me, knowing your audience is like having a treasure map that leads you straight to the gold. Now, on to step 2. Keyword research. This is where you put on your detective hat. Keywords are the backbone of your Google Ads campaign. You want to dig deep and find those golden phrases that your audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush to help you out. Focus on long-tail keywords. They might not have the highest volume, but they're often more relevant and targeted. And don't forget about negative keywords. These will help you filter out all that irrelevant traffic that just eats up your budget. Remember, it's not just about getting traffic, it's about getting the right traffic. Step 3 is where the magic really begins. Crafting compelling ad copy. This is your chance to shine. Your ad copy needs to grab attention and inspire action. Start with clear, benefit-driven headlines. What's in it for them? Use power words and emotional triggers to create a connection. And don't forget a strong call to action. You want them to click, so tell them exactly what to do. A/B test different versions of your ads to see what resonates best with your audience. Think of your ad as a mini elevator pitch. Make every word count. Now let's move on to step 4. Setting up conversion tracking. This is crucial because if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. It's like trying to navigate without a map. Install the Google Ads Conversion Tracking Pixel and set up goals in Google Analytics. You want to track phone calls, form submissions, and purchases. Use UTM parameters for deeper insights. This step is going to save you time and money in the long run, so don't skip it. Finally, we arrive at step 5, continuously optimizing your campaign. This is where the real work happens. Google Ads isn't a set-it-and-forget-it platform. You need to stay proactive. Regularly review and adjust your bids. Refine your ad groups and keywords. Improve your quality score. And don't be afraid to test different ad formats and extensions. This is where you'll see the magic happen as you tweak and refine your approach. And there you have it. 5 crucial steps to dominate Google Ads. I know it can feel overwhelming, but remember, you don't have to do it alone. At Moving Forward Digital Marketing, we're passionate about helping businesses like yours succeed with Google Ads. Whether you want guidance or need us to handle your entire campaign, we've got your back. So, if you're ready to take the next step, visit Moving Forward Digital Marketing.com to learn more about our services. And if you want to chat, schedule a free consultation at calendly.com/movingforward/digital-marketing/consultation. Let's make your Google Ads campaign a roaring success. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more digital marketing tips. Until next time, keep moving forward.